Give the ball to number 2. Dribble, 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 dribble. Dribble, dribble, dribble. Give the ball to number 3. Number 1. Number 5. Number 4. Shoot that ball. Pupunta mo dito ha. Huwag po kayo magtutulakan. Okay? Suntukan. Dapat suntukan. Okay. Tanong po ni Kuya Bench. Ready na po ba? Parang hindi pa ready to. Are you ready? Okay. The game starts now. Give the ball to number 2. Exhibition, exhibition, exhibition. Give the ball to number 5. Dance, 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 dance. Kids, upo muna kayo. Give the ball to number 4. Number 4, number 2, number 1. Give the ball to number 2, number 2, number 3, number 3, number 4. Number 5, shoot the ball. Number 5. Ang galing! Ang galing. Okay na, okay. 1-0. Okay. Ay, number 5 yun ah. Okay, sa kanila ang point. Number 5. Kala ko siya number 5. Number 5, sa inyo po ang points. Okay. Hanggang 2 points na po ito. Kung sino pong matatalo, may gagawin po kayo para kay Iya mamaya. Okay? Okay. Sige. Give the ball to number 5. Dribble, 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 dribble. Give the ball to number 2, number 2, number 2, number 3, number 3, number 3, number 4, number 4, number 1, number 1, number 1, number 1. Taray man! 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, kasama po yan. 8, 8, 8. Give the ball to number 4. Dribble, 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 dribble. Exhibition, 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 exhibition. Dance, 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 dance. Give the ball to number 3. Number 3, dribble, 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 dribble. Give the ball to number 2, number 2, number 1, number 1, number 1, number 1, number 1. Wala pa. Give the ball to number 4. Number 4, dribble, 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 dribble. Give the ball to number 2. Shoot that ball. Shoot that ball. One tayo. Hindi na ba tayo magkakaalaman? Ayaw magkaroon ng konsekwensya. Okay, dito na tayo magkakaalaman. Give the ball to number 3. Shoot that ball, number 3. Ba't parang may tumulak? Ba't parang may tumulak? And our winner is Steve! Palakpakan naman natin sila. Dahil dyan, bahala na kayo maghati-hati niya.